Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. We are looking at a 2019 F-150 Lariat in Abyss Gray with black leather interior, seating for 5. This has the Lariat Sport package, which includes the center console and body-colored grille, as well as a technology package, which includes a 360 camera. You have an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and this is a 5-liter V8. It's a flex fuel, and it's also a 4x4. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And you can book that online at islandford.ca. Don't forget, this vehicle's been modified with Toyo tires, as well as the 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, as well as power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, as well as power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and a grab handle that makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media with volume, as well as hands-free dialing. And when you want to start the vehicle, foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu you can toggle through. Part of the technology package is lane keeping, which is in one of your settings. You can go through My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings. And you're seeing that lane keeping system is at the bottom of that setting. And these all have sub-menus. In the center, you've got a little cubby there and your B&O badging for your premium audio sound system, as well as hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 camera, so you can have different views of the vehicle and the surroundings. And you also have auto stop start for less idle time, and you can go into your audio. So this is a touch screen, and we can just turn down the volume on our steering wheel, and there you go. Touch into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your navigation, and this is voice activated navigation, and your map shows up there. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. And as well, you can go into your settings and slide through for different options like automatic updates, as well as Apple CarPlay and so forth. There's your volume and tuner, and down below is dual climate control, which is really nice for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats, your fans in the center there. You also have AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and there's a little cubby. In the center, you've got a place to put things, as well as 2 USB outlets, and you just press in the center, it'll close it right up. Automatic select shifter, you also have drive mode, and when you press this, it'll appear on your dash. And so you can go through for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport, and then back around again. And then you also have a couple of cup holders here, and you're seeing that little ring at the bottom. That is your ambient lighting. So it just sets the mood, it's kind of nice, gives you a nice glow. And there's your lane keeping, there's your park assist. And your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin in here. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. So you can power up and connect devices. And off to the side, another 12 volt and 110. Locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror. You also have a universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. And in the back, you have a power sliding window, and that button controls that. And we've got a dual panel moonroof, so you can just push that and get some nice fresh air. Toyo tires, 20-inch wheels, 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access, so when the fog's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the door, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You're seeing your backup camera, and also have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. The box is nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box length. And you've also got a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And when you're ready, close everything up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have a remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab at the base, and then you're able to lift your seat right up. And then when you want to bring it back down, simply pull it again and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, a nice armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, carpeted mats, and you're seeing extra all-weather mats as well. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders. You also have a 12-volt USB and 110 outlet, air vents on either side, as well as the buttons to control the heated seats in the rear. There's a grab handle in the body, and up above, hooks and lighting, as well as that panoramic view. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body-colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, automatic high beam headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.